Want to give your videos the classic old-school television look? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a realistic CRT TV lines effect using CapCut Mobile. Let's jump right in! Step number 1. First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit and tap Add. For the step number 2, tap Effects at the bottom of your screen. Then, select Video Effects. This is where CapCut's built-in visual effects are located. Look for an effect called CRT, TV screen, old TV, scan lines, or a similar retro television effect depending on your version of CapCut. You can add more video effects depending on how you want it. Now let's make it look even better. Tap on the effect layer and select Adjust if available. You can increase or decrease the intensity of the scan lines, adjust the amount of distortion, and fine-tune and the overall appearance. For the last step, adjust the length of your effects according to the length of your video. And that's how you add CRT TV lines effect in CapCut Mobile. With just few simple steps, you can transform modern footage into retro television experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more CapCut editing tips. Thanks for watching and happy editing!